When you hear volatility, does it feel like you are on a roller coaster full of fear and uncertainty? Here's the truth. In equity markets, volatility doesn't mean unpredictability, it's a stepping stone to long term growth. Let's break it down. First, the Sensex, India's benchmark index. Over the last 24 years, it has delivered positive returns in 20 out of 24 years. Even during challenging years like 2008, when it dropped 52%, it bounced back with a 75% gain in 2009. So, negative returns only 4 out of 24 years. So, what is the key takeaway from this? Volatility is temporary, growth is permanent. Now let's talk about the mid cap index. It is a bit more volatile but comes with higher rewards. Example, in 2003 it skyrocketed by 167% and in 2009 it delivered 102%. So positive returns is 17 out of 22 years. Now let's talk about the small cap index. It's the most volatile but the rewards unmatched. Example, in 2003 small cap delivered an incredible 191% return. So positive returns is 16 out of 22 years. So what's the bigger story? Sensex is positive 83% of the time, mid cap is positive 77% of the time, and small cap is positive 73% of the time. The data is clear. Equity markets reward patience. The longer you stay invested, the more predictable the returns become. Gold, fixed deposits, real estate, they may seem safer, but can they match this growth? You can look at the comparison chart on the screen to see for yourself. Gold has given 8 to 10% returns. Fixed deposits has given 5 to 7% return, but equity has given 12 to 15% returns and even more. So volatility isn't just your enemy, it's your opportunity. So here's the bottom line. Negative years are rare and often followed by extraordinary gains. Time in the market always beats timing the market. So next time the market dips, ask yourself, is this a setback or an opportunity in disguise? Don't miss out on building wealth through equities. So because investing isn't about avoiding volatility, it's about embracing it. Play the long game and let time work its magic. Start your investment journey today. If this video helped you understand equity investments better, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular update. And if you want professional investment and financial guidance, then don't forget to click the link in the description box to register for a complimentary consultation with one of our certified financial planners to start your investment journey with professional guidance today. And so see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.